website offers a wide variety of pins to complement the different hard tags. The choice of pins for your tags is a simple matter of taste. Grooved pins and smooth pins are supplied for you. Metal pin and plastic pin can be both supplied. We also could produce special lens pin as customers' requirements. Also, the tops of the pins come in distinct shapes for you to choose. Some special tags are pin-specific, meaning that one special pin comes with the tag. But overall, you have the freedom to choose which pin best suits your shopping environment.